Good morning, students. We have completed our theory part. So today we are going to discuss about the numericals. The first numerical is what is the diffusion current flowing through the cell containing the solution of cadmium 2 plus ions having concentration 5 millimoles per liter. If the drop rate is 4.5 second and value of flowing mercury is 4 mg per second, the diffusion coefficient of cadmium 2 plus ions is 7 into 10 raised to minus 6 centimeter per second. So firstly we have write down all the given things. So ID, that is diffusion current, we have to calculate it. Then concentration C is given in 5 millimole per liter. T is a drop rate equal to 4.5 second, and M, that is flow rate, the value of flowing mercury, that is flow rate of mercury is 5 mg per second, and D is diffusion coefficient is given in 7 into 10 raised to minus 6 centimeter per square per second. N is the number of electrons. So we have given cadmium 2 plus, so Cd2 plus 2 electron, that is 2 electron. So solving this numerical, we have already seen a equation, that is Aikovic equation, and it is given by ID, that is diffusion current, equal to 607 into N, that is number of electrons, into D raised to 1 by 2, that is diffusion coefficient, into C concentration, into M raised to 2 by 3. M is the flow rate of mercury, and T is drop rate. So as we'll see all the values, they are given in desirable units, that is concentration. According to this equation, concentration should be in millimoles per liter, drop rate, that is T, should be in second, and M should be in mg per second, and diffusion coefficient should be in centimeter square per second. So no need to convert into another units. So we'll put all the values. So ID equal to 607 into 2 electrons, diffusion coefficient 7 into 10 raised to minus 6 raised to 1 by 2, concentration 5 millimoles per liter, into M value is 4 raised to 4.5. 4 raised to 2 by 3. T equal to 4.5, that is drop rate, raised to 1 by 6. So first we'll solve 607 into 2, 7 into 10 raised to minus 6 raised to 1 by 2, value will be 2.645 into 10 raised to minus 3, 4 raised to 2 by 3, 4 raised to 2 by 3 will be 2.519, and 4.5 raised to 1 by 6 will be 1.284 into and 5 will be concentration. After solving these values, we'll get 51.99 answer, that is ID, and the unit would be microampere, because all the value, if taken in this unit, the answer will come out in a microampere.
Kadang suruh lah, kadang ni